The high cost of real estate has left many in search of alternatives to conventional homes that come at a more affordable price. The tiny home movement continues to grow in popularity, especially for those who are seeking to enjoy all the benefits of owning a house without the high costs and expenses usually associated with such an asset. Homes that have been specifically designed to be as small as possible without sacrificing comfort or utility have much to offer. These homes are designed to be highly mobile and offer the perfect solution for professionals whose career do not tie them to one specific location. Unlike campers, trailers, and conventional mobile homes that are often designed for either short-term use or that offer limited quality and comfort, tiny homes are designed for maximum efficiency. Houses that are rarely larger than a few hundred square feet can provide many of the environments and amenities that property owners would expect to find in a much larger structure. Eliminating any space that is not being utilized and making every effort to create the most efficient environment possible offers a way to pack a great deal of value into a very small package. Small homes are often designed to be as mobile as possible in order to better suit the needs of owners who lead a more nomadic lifestyle. Owning a conventional home is often a more expensive undertaking that many first-time property owners may realize. Landscaping, foundations, and the utility costs associated with the larger interior environment can quickly become very expensive. Smaller structures and those that require less resources and effort to maintain can make the dream of owning a house far more attainable. Spending more to maintain areas and environments that property owners may be able to do without can make maintaining a property far more expensive. Houses that have been created to be as efficient as possible can often be owned and maintained for a price that few existing property owners may have believed possible. 21st century technologies have given rise to a workforce that is more mobile than ever before. Professionals who are not tethered to a single location are increasingly interested in any opportunities that may allow them to travel more easily. Homes that can be easily transported from one location to the next provide the perfect solution for professionals who are seeking to see more of the world. The ability to enjoy all the comforts of home when on the road, or to more easily move to different regions and enjoy a wider range of short-term living opportunities and arrangements are a huge incentive. While the first small homes were designed and built by their owners, the growing popularity of these structures means that those who are interested in owning one have far more options at their disposal. Professionally designed and built homes make ownership much easier, especially for those who lack the means or inclination to do the construction themselves. Working with a professional designer can provide plenty of benefits. Online communities and forums offer owners and those interested in the advantages that smaller homes are able to offer the chance to discuss their situations. Learning all you can about any homes that may fit your budget and lifestyle may be easier than you would have expected. Making smarter and more informed decisions will allow you to avoid many of the common issues and pitfalls that first-time owners may be likely to experience. Conducting a little research will ensure you that you're able to make the best decisions possible and will help you ensure that you do not overlook any opportunities that may provide you with the greater satisfaction or value. The issues and expenses associated with owning conventional homes can pose a real obstacle for many owners. Smaller structures and homes that are designed to provide superior quality and comfort offer a more affordable way to make your dream a reality. Investing in the right opportunity or working with a designer or construction professional who will allow you to more easily meet your needs may allow you to more easily fulfill your dreams. From mobile professionals to those who lack the resources and finances needed to invest in conventional homes, there are plenty of people who can benefit from a smaller and more affordable alternative. Homes created to provide the most comfort in the smallest amount of space have a great deal to offer and may allow you to enjoy the lifestyle you've always wanted. Structures and homes that offer a more affordable and mobile lifestyle may provide the solution you've been seeking.